In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage bookings on your Wix website using the Wix Bookings app. This is a fantastic tool if you're looking to offer appointments, classes, or any kind of service that requires scheduling. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add this app to your site, set up your services, customize options, and get everything published so you can start booking appointments right away. Let's begin by logging into your Wix account and opening your site editor. This is your starting point for all your website design and management needs. Once you're in the editor, you'll be able to make all the customizations necessary to get your booking service up and running. In the left sidebar, you'll see an option called App Market. Click there to browse through various apps that can enhance your site's functionality. Today, we'll focus on finding the Wix Bookings app. Once you've found it in the app market, you'll want to click Add to install it onto your site. This will integrate booking capabilities directly into your existing web pages. After the Wix Bookings app is added, it's time to set up the specific services you want to offer. This is where you can get really detailed, tailoring the booking options to fit your business needs perfectly. Define each service with a clear description so clients know exactly what to expect. Be sure to set correct pricing for each service and outline the availability. Setting accurate availability helps manage expectations and ensures clients will see the times you're actually open for business. This customization helps streamline your booking process and minimize any unnecessary back and forth communications. Now that your services are set up, take a moment to customize additional booking options. Dive into payment methods and decide how you'd like clients to pay, whether upfront, upon arrival, or through a deposit system. Different businesses prefer different methods, so choose what works best for you. Additionally, explore other settings like automated email confirmations or reminders that can really enhance your customer's experience by ensuring everyone is on the same page about their appointments. Once all services and options are configured, you're ready to bring your booking page live. Click on the Publish button, and your site, complete with its brand new booking capabilities, will go live on the web. Now you can start promoting your services online to reach potential clients. Use social media, newsletters, or digital ads to drive traffic to your site and get the word out there. By following these steps, you're all set with a seamless, robust booking system that enhances how you run your business online. I hope this was helpful, and now you're ready to welcome bookings with open arms. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your Wix website.